We are trying to, in short, provide you an adaptive learning environment or adaptive book for each student that can adapt based on their skills, capabilities, and it will provide kind of responsive environment for their special needs and capabilities. It will help the students to reach their extreme potential as well, not only realizing their success. Also, it will help in increasing the equality between all of them, as I mentioned before. So, given all these resources, I believe, or I claim, that Professor DUX that I'm going to talk about today, going to help us. I was working actually in this area for the last decade. I have published a lot about the AI and Internet of Things. However, until now, I feel I know nothing in that field. As my colleague mentioned before, because of the rapid development in that area. Every day, every week almost, the knowledge in AI is doubling, and if you don't catch up, then you will feel yourself totally out of context. So we will do our best to adapt to this rapid technology via Professor DUX and other similar, hopefully, platforms that we will propose in Near East University, and especially at the center that I am part of, which is the International Research Center for AI and IoT. So DUX, simply an AI-powered adaptive learning platform that is able nowadays to teach courses, design applications, and act as an agent for each of you, an assistant and a co-worker. It is producing videos for your lectures. It is marking, generating exams, and giving a final grade after evaluating your answers. Let's start with what DUX himself prepared actually about himself. He prepared a short video that I would like to share with you, but before going to that video, I would like to welcome with us Professor DUX, who is going to join us. Welcome, DUX, to this presentation. You can introduce yourself as well.
Hello, everyone. I am Professor DUX, an AI learning facilitator developed by the Institute of AI and Robotics at Near East University. It's a pleasure to be here today to showcase the AI Prof DUX platform, which helps personalize education by adapting to each student's unique learning style. Our mission is to provide customized lesson plans, materials, and feedback, making learning more engaging and effective for students worldwide. I'm excited to be part of this presentation and to share how we are transforming education with AI. Let's dive in.
Thank you, DUX. So we go back to the PowerPoint now, or the presentation itself. Before I dive into DUX itself, I would like to briefly introduce the AI, which is the core of this workshop. What is AI? If you search over the internet or in the literature, you will find lots of definitions, including pretending a human interaction, learning and reasoning by machines without the intervention of humans. However, the most interesting definition for me was it is a product of information processing. It is processing every little information that you are providing and providing after it a smart application or smart decision for your life to be easier. So that's simply what AI. Not only AI, we are also experiencing nowadays something called generative AI and AGI, the artificial general intelligence, and the ASI, the artificial superintelligence. All these are trying to create kind of original content, including the text, images, music, and such by learning from existing data, these things, these original actually. DUX, what do you see in figure 1?
In figure 1, we have a factorization problem. Factorize x squared plus 2x minus 15. The problem lists the factors as 1, 15, and 3, 5, and shows the factorization as x squared plus 2x minus 15 equals x plus 3, x minus 5. However, the factorization is incorrect. The correct factorization should be x plus 5, x minus 3, because 5 and negative 3 multiply to negative 15 and add up to 2. So the mistake in the factorization is in the choice of the factors.
Thank you, DUX. Not only this,
you're welcome. If there's more,
DUX is also able to understand some ancient drawings that have been found before us even. That if you look at it, even yourself, or sometimes some experts might not be able to understand the meaning of it. If I give you the chance to look at this image, for example, right now, which is an ancient Egyptian drawing, and try to understand what is the message given by this image. This is a language, by the way, Egyptian language. In the past, they used to write it in this way, by drawings. Do you understand anything from this image? Any message? Difficult, right? Let's ask DUX. DUX, what do you see in figure 2, please?
Figure 2 is an ancient Egyptian-style painting depicting two figures in traditional attire. They seem to be engaged in a conversation or argument, humorously depicted as debating whose turn it is to take out the trash. The artwork emphasizes their traditional roles and attire, integrating a touch of everyday life into the historical context.
Exactly. So as you can see, he translated the image into a text, a real message that is coming from that text that we couldn't understand ourselves. Let's try just to show, for example, in this image, who is the turn to take the trash outside, which is something supposed to be funny. So, what is DUX in this case? DUX is an AI-powered e-learning platform that we have designed to assist both teachers and students by automating repetitive tasks and enhancing their learning experience. It is
I'm Global Voice, your universal language assistant. I understand every language and I'm always connected with you. Ask any question in any language and I'll respond in your language with my voice. Let's break barriers and speak the language of innovation together.
Сегодня я чувствую себя отлично. Если у тебя есть вопросы...
I'm AI Agent, your interactive guide for every step. Not sure what to do for your desired task? Simply type your question or click the help button. I'll provide clear, step-by-step voice instructions and even open the page you need. Experience effortless learning and seamless navigation, all at your command.
Hi students, to watch the videos of the lecture, go to your classroom page on your dashboard.
I'm your personal study coach, your smart study companion. After your quiz or exam, I'll analyze your performance and show you where to focus. I'll highlight the topics you need to improve on and guide you step by step to master them. Study smarter, not harder.
Your understanding of basic operating system commands is good, but you need to improve your knowledge of specific operating system concepts and terminologies.
I'm your attendance assistant. Whether you're attending in person or online, I've got you covered. Simply scan the QR code for face-to-face attendance or use your webcam for online verification.